Most Fanimation fans include a manual reversing switch located on the motor housing. This switch allows you to change the blade direction without needing a remote control. Understanding seasonal usage is important. In summer, run the fan counterclockwise to create a cooling breeze. In winter, run it clockwise at low speed to circulate warm air from the ceiling. Safety first. Always turn off the power to the fan at the circuit breaker or fuse box before beginning any work. Wait for the fan blades to come to a complete stop. Next, locate the reversing switch on the motor housing. It's typically found near the top of the fan or under a cover plate. The switch may be a small toggle or slide switch. Once you've located the switch, simply flip or slide it to the opposite position. If you had to remove a cover plate to access the switch, make sure to replace it securely. Finally, restore power to the fan and test that it's moving in the desired direction. The fan should now rotate in the opposite direction from before you flip the switch. The manual reversing switch provides a simple, reliable way to change your fan's direction for optimal comfort throughout the year. Safety is the top priority when working with any electrical appliance. Before attempting to reverse your Fanimation fan, you must take proper precautions to protect yourself and your home. The first and most critical step is to turn off the power at the main circuit breaker or fuse box. Never attempt to work on a fan while it has electrical power flowing to it. Proper grounding is essential for electrical safety. All wiring must comply with national and local electrical codes, and the fan must be properly grounded to prevent electrical shock. If you're unsure about any step in the process, always consult your fan's manual or visit the manufacturer's website for specific instructions related to your model. Some Fanimation fans can be reversed using a compatible wall control unit instead of the manual switch. However, if you're not comfortable working with electricity, always hire a licensed electrician. Finally, remember these important safety reminders. Ensure the fan base is securely mounted and can support the fan's weight. Never operate the fan if any parts are damaged or missing, and never insert anything into the fan blades while operating.